This model kit review is of the German Tiger 1 tank. This is the initial production tank by the Nazis during the World War II, and this is the Africa Corps. It's a 1/48 scale model by Tamiya, and this fought in Tunisia in World War II. It's quite a heavy looking box. I do have some pictures here of the finished tank. There's a die-cast chassis, really makes it heavy. Let's have a look inside here. So we have a number of sprues. So first of all, here we have all the wheels. These are very nicely molded, lots of good detail. We also have all the tracks and the main gear wheels, lots of additional little parts here. Really well molded, good details. And here's the one for the other side. We have two of the same thing. Very well molded, good details. We have these little plastic nubs to probably keep the wheels on. And here we have some additional parts to put on, for example the ropes and toe pulleys, main gun, and here's the exit piece for the main gun, ammunition, some of the hatches, all very nicely molded, no mold lines. And we have a crew member here, another part for the main gun. We'll have to see. Well, we have two of those. Some of the parts for the side and the front. Here is the top of the tank. And that is beautifully molded, some great details there. And it's a very good quality model, typical of Tamiya. This is just what I would expect. Here's the last sprue. We have some additional tracks. We have parts of the main turret, sides, the top, other parts for the rest of the. Here's our exhaust. All beautifully molded, lots of detail. Let's look at this first. Here are our decals. And then we have this. This part here has been glued in. Is what makes these Tamiya tanks so nice. Is that they have a very good quality die-cast mold here to build it on. All the wheels go on there. It's fairly hefty, and that's excellent for the base. Let's have a look at our instructions here. We start off with all the wheels. Those go on the body. Probably best to paint the body first, and then once you put on those 3 layers of wheels, tracks go on. Those are then glued onto the wheels, and then the hull is built. All the additional pieces going on the hull. Next we have formation of the turrets, including the main gun. And then the turret is put on. We've got one figure, and then painting and decal guide. So there's one version of 731, and here's 813. So, all in all, very well molded, excellent quality, exceptional amount of details, very nice solid base. That's another great Tamiya model.